Welcome to a fantastically designed, updated home on a large corner lot nestled in the heart of Lake Oswego. This 3-level home is an entertainer's delight with a beautiful private backyard, view deck, and an enchanted garden. It's ideally situated near parks, trails, restaurants, and much more. The charming covered walkway invites you inside. You'll discover a spacious and sunny open floor plan with a natural flow and great separation of space. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the vaulted living and dining room, and you'll find abundant natural light throughout. The gourmet kitchen will inspire your inner chef with a Viking Pro cooktop, stainless steel appliances, soft closed drawers, and beautiful custom cherry and maple cabinetry. You can head out to your expansive deck for memorable gatherings or simply enjoying intimate sunsets. It overlooks a peaceful and serene yard with 2-tier paver patios and vegetation for all seasons. Escape to the large, private, main-level master suite with high ceilings, a walk-in closet, and a spacious master bath with double sinks. On the upper level, you'll find additional bedrooms and a full bath. The large lower-level bonus room is ready for entertaining, complete with a wet bar and access to the private patio. Living here, you'll also enjoy easy access to I-5, Kruse Village, and downtown Portland. An exceptional home in a tranquil setting. You'll find it all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com.